2020 has been a big year for influencer marketing, something that is only going to become even bigger in the future. Here are the top influencer marketing trends you need to look out for in 2021. Come on, let's go. 1. Micro-influencers will rise. Micro-influencers and key opinion consumers have been on the rise for some time and will only continue to do so throughout 2021. Although they're small, their personal connection with niche target groups and high engagement rates make them very powerful. Micro-influencers also create their own content and manage their own accounts, making them cost-efficient. More and more companies are beginning to realize the advantages of working with micro-influencers and are including them in marketing strategies and budgets. 2. Influencer marketing will become performance-based. Fake followers and inauthentic engagement are all too common these days, and many businesses are catching on. Being able to directly attribute performance metrics to brand success will be vital in 2021. Brands need to know whether or not the influencers will be able to deliver on promises, meaning deals will become increasingly data-dependent with a heavy focus on measurability. There will be greater emphasis on relevant metrics which translate directly into sales, such as click-through rates and active engagement. 3. Short video content will take over. Short videos are the new big thing and are great for influencers, content creators, and businesses alike, as they allow for a whole new world of creative expression. As TikTok continues its reign at the top of the download charts, huge companies such as Facebook, Google, and Instagram are beginning to bet on this format, incorporating new features that support short video content. For businesses, partnering with influencers who are active on these platforms and capable of producing high-quality video content will be vital to any marketing strategy in 2021. 4. Expect long-term contracts and relationships. As the social media landscape becomes more saturated, businesses are choosing to focus on increasing their reach and building brand loyalty. In the past, many companies opted for one-off deals on a campaign-per-campaign basis, but brands in 2021 are looking for influencers to represent them in the long run. Companies are beginning to realize the numerous benefits of long-term partnerships, such as a steady flow of regular content which increases ad frequency and exposure, and the genuineness and authenticity that comes along with an influencer consistently endorsing a brand. Influencers are taking on the role of brand ambassadors, meaning it will be essential for businesses to find the right people to partner with long-term. If you'd like to learn more about influencer marketing, feel free to check out our website, which is linked in the description, and follow us on social media. Everybody, stay safe and have a happy new year. See you!